How to add long position tool on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to add long position tool on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on a laptop device. Once you open the TradingView, now look at the left side of it where you can see the multiple drawing tools. Now just click on this fifth option over here and click on menu icon. You can see the option from long position. Click on it. To add the long position on your chart, just simply tap on the chart. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add long position on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.